Hey guys, it's Kristel here, and for today's vlog, I'm taking you along our Swiss rail journey. Now, Switzerland is really known for the scenic views and the train rides. So in our trip, it's only natural that we wanted to experience this ourselves. But which one? That's the dilemma that we kind of faced when we were researching on which to pick. We only had a limited time per country for this Euro trip, so we really tried to fit this in our schedule. And we chose the Gotthard Panorama Express as it takes us from Switzerland to Italy. Because Italy is the next destination in our trip. And it was only really the easiest route for us versus the Bernina Express or the Glacier Express, as the routes for these ones are usually just within Switzerland and it usually takes 4 to 8 hours. And we didn't have enough time to spend one day just being on a train ride, although I know that the videos that I would see online, it's beautiful. But for our trip, since it's already from Switzerland to Italy, it took us about 5 hours or so, and it was spectacular to say the least. So we opted to hit two birds with one stone on this one: a scenic trip train ride on the way to Italy. The Gotthard Panorama Express actually has a combination of the boat and train package, but we just opted to just go for the train and not the boat, just so that we won't get too caught up with all the luggages that we're already bringing. So we went straight to the Arth-Goldau station, which is we will be boarding our train. And the train was really right on time, and there were only a couple of people that boarded. So we're now here in the Gotthard Panorama Express. So from Arth-Goldau going to Lugano. So it's a panoramic train. Kaya malaki yung windows dito. Kaya makita yung view. 4 hours siya, pero pag normal train, nasa 1 hour lang. So mabagal yung takbo and the panoramic route. So this is our seats. Ayan, so mommy, daddy, and Nicole. If you have a Eurail pass, you can also use it here in the Gotthard Panorama Express. You just need to pay for the reservation fee, and I think it was around 16 Swiss francs, and that was exactly what we used for this ride. And this is the menu that they have for snacks and drinks that you can have on board. And now, as you can see the beautiful Crystal Lake, this is us now approaching Fluelen, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, where some of the passengers from the boat cruise will be boarding. So you'll roughly get around a 15-minute stop here to probably go for a bathroom break or enjoy the view of the lake. And now we're back en route to enjoying these panoramic views on the way to Lugano. And these tall windows really make a difference in enjoying these sceneries. While on the train, they also share a bit of history about the train itself and the areas that we are passing by. We will be passing through the Gotthard Tunnel, which was built in 1882 and was a challenging task to create, given it was the longest at that time and because of the altitude. The solution that the engineer created was to create loop tunnels and spirals. And we were greeted by some people waving the Swiss flag. Did you spot that? And that's it for our Swiss rail journey. Now, if you do plan to book the Gotthard Panorama Express, my tip to you is to book early as possible because tickets can get sold out pretty quickly, especially the peak season. It's very easy. You just need to go to their website and you can go and book from there and select the seats already. Again, these are all like first class seats, so at least you don't have to choose between the second class or first class, whatever, but it's good to note on which side you are going to be sitting. So for our side, we were sitting on the right side. I would say the left side views were spectacular, more spectacular, but then there were areas that the right side was nice as well. So I feel like that's pretty fair. Again, if you're going to be traveling in a group, better to book early because seats can get sold out, especially if you want those that would be beside each other. So that's really my tip for it, and I hope that you did enjoy this vlog. It's a little bit different from what I used to do, or at least from the previous travel vlogs. So if you do like it, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for the future travel videos as well. I'm not yet done with the Euro trip series, so watch out for that.